Welcome to Uma's classroom for math and science videos. Symbiosis is required from grade 5 through middle school and high school. First, let's try to understand what is symbiosis. The word symbiosis comes from the Greek sym and bios, where sym means together and bios means life. So symbiosis refers to life working together. Life working together. Symbiosis is the interaction between two living organisms. These interactions result with either one of the three following cases. The first one, where both living organisms benefit. Second one organism benefits and the other maintains its neutrality. And the third one organism benefits and the other detriments. So here are the different types of symbiosis. The first one, where both living organisms benefit, is known as mutualism. Here we can see the picture of flower and bee. The relationship between a bee and a flower is mutualistic relationship. The bee gets nectar from the flowers and flowers in turn gets pollinated. So in mutualism, everyone wins. Everyone wins. There can be another type of example where the same mutualistic relationship exists. That is the relation between the roots of the plants and fungus. Relation between the roots of plants and fungus. The fungus is getting carbohydrates, whereas the plant benefits from the fungus' higher water and mineral absorption capacities. Next one is commensalism, where one organism benefits and the other maintains its neutrality. For example, in grazing in the grass, the cattle stir up the insects over there, providing the cattle egrets a good meal. But cattle get nothing in return nor are harmed. Another good example of commensalism is the relation between the redwood and the orchid. Relation between redwood tree and orchid. Orchid gets shelter and redwood tree is not affected in any way. It maintains its neutrality. The next one is parasitism, where one organism benefits and the other detriments. Insects like mosquitoes, which feed off the blood of larger animal like human being, and they act a carrier of virus, bacteria, etc. to the host, causing a significant damage, even death. So here the insect or mosquito, they are getting benefited, where the other living being, that is the host, is getting damaged by their activities. Another good example of parasitic relationship exists in between the fleas and the dogs. Hope you are enjoying the video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and always attempt the quiz given in the comment section of each and every video in Uma's classroom. Here are some different types of relationships other than symbiosis. The first one is predation. This is also known as predator-prey relationship. Many people often think predation is symbiosis, but it is still under discussion. According to most of the scientists, it is not, as one organism is killed. Here, like the relationship between the lion and the zebra. The another type is ammensalism, which is exactly opposite of commensalism. Of commensalism. In the picture, we can see the big plant shades the other plants, growing at its normal speed and height. That means ammensalism is a relationship where one organism is inhibited by the presence of the other who does not benefit. And the last one is competition. Competition is a relationship between the organisms where one is harmed when both are trying to run some essential biological processes like growth, reproduction, etc. In this picture, there are several types of fish, and many people may ignore there is a canvas of dozens of species of coral, and they look like rock or plant, actually a colony of tiny living beings. These tiny animals filter organic materials from water and use stored bacteria to photosynthesize sunlight as extra energy. So here each coral species is competing with other corals as well as with the fish for nutrients and sunlight. Thank you for watching the video of symbiosis. Keep watching more videos for science and math. And I am reminding, please attempt the quiz. The link is given in the comment section of the video.